Hey, great day, Coach Mike Husson. And today I am standing here wearing a polo shirt. And my question for you, and if you can get this, you get 1 hour free coaching session with me. It is worth $1,000, but it could make you between ten to $100,000 or more in your business. So here's the question: why are polo shirts expensive? Why are polo shirts so expensive? So I want you to send me your answer to mike@mikehusson.com. That's mike@mikehusson.com. If you get the right answer, and the first person who sends it to me, and this will be an honor system, the first person who sends it to me will get the free consultation and the opportunity for me to create a plan for them, that individual, to earn $10,000 up to $100,000 or more in their business, just by answering the simple question: why are polo shirts so expensive? Right? Thanks so much. Again, mike@mikehusson.com. It's MIKEHUSSON as in Nancy.com. Mike@mikehusson.com. All right. So thanks so much. Hope you're doing well, and keep in touch, and look forward to hearing your answers. Thanks so much. Have a great day.